Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. You can see the Optim Sprint in my hand. This is citizen band radio. Let's see closely what this radio is. The radio came in this box, Optim Sprint, CB radio 27 MHz, Optimcom technical group. This radio came in box with Russian language, amplitude and frequency modulation, 12 volts and 24 volts, adapter, DSP, SQL, automatic SQL, lithium battery 7.4 volts with 1800 milliamps, USB-C port, and Poland and Euro region. You can switch between them. Roger beep, 8 tones rubber duck, and ability to connect the headphones and microphone. In the box you can find the user manual, in my case user manual in Russian language. You can find right here the parameters of the radio itself with the battery, the rubber duck antenna with the BNC connector. Let's check the antenna parameters. SWR around 5 on 27 MHz. Let's look in the wideband. The best SWR around on 265 MHz. Probably we need to change the antenna. Holder for mounting this radio in the car. Additional holder, belt clip. Inside the box, for mounting in the car you can use this adapter. And this adapter for connecting the external power and external antenna. You can connect this adapter right here, plug in into the cigarette lighter, and connect the external antenna in your car. Let's check the size of the radio. 13.5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 3.5. Let's check the weight of the radio. 360 grams. Let's compare with the islands in size. Almost the same. Let's add the ISO VX6R. VX6R much smaller. On top of the radio you can find the power switch and volume knob, indication receiving and transmitting, lamp on the right side. You can connect the microphone and headphones, USB-C port for charging. You can charge this radio almost everywhere. The indication on the screen, the indication of processing charging. Let's disconnect the power cable. Indication is gone. On the front panel you can find the LCD screen, functionality buttons. On the right side, PTT button, power button, high and low power, and 2 functionality buttons. Let's open this cover and see the battery. Under this cover, this rubber For waterproofing the battery, 1800 milliamps with 7.5 volts. Let's open the case of the radio. Firstly, you should unscrew 5 bolts. Before this, you should unscrew this cover, disconnect the battery, and detach the front panel. Actually, you can see the speaker, 16 ohm, 2 watts, rubber for water resistance. You can see the white rubber right here. You need to unscrew 2 bolts right here and remove the front panel, detaching from this socket. Actually, you can see the first board from this radio with components, the screen, the buttons, the main board, let's see closely. Let's unscrew these lots of bolts and disconnect this connector and see what is on the opposite side of the board. Unscrew these 2 rings, and under them you can find rubber rings which allows to have water protection. This is the main board with the chassis. See the opposite side of the board. You can see the main chassis and TDA 2050. USB-C, filters, the menu of the radio, easy to use. Turn on the radio, and this is PTT button. This is the same second PTT button, but using this button you can change the transmission power. Just press F and this button, the power low, and the press again, transmission power high. The monitoring button, you can press shortly and make a long press, functionality the same. You can turn on and turn off the backlight. Long press F button, you enter to the menu, and short press this button, you can go to the next backlight. 10 seconds, key tone on off, frequency display on or off. If off, you can see only channels only, and if you select on, you can see the frequency right here. Long press, frequency on, frequency off. Yeah, let's turn on the frequency. The next scan mode 10 seconds, takes power, timeout timer, Roger beep, 8 CB FM 10 seconds, battery safe. The next factory reset. That's all functionality. Changing short press, go to the channel 15, short press, back again, long press, you can see the changing the 5 and zeros. DSP, you can find the 3 presets of DSP. DSP works really nice. Without DSP, DSP1, DSP2,
c'hanno la chiesa inda, non ci apre la porta, rompono la porta, ci tagliano da inda, ci spacciano la testa, soppiano dai capelli, ci mette le mani.
I am FM. If you long press this button, you can lock the key, but not all keys. SQL, ISQ, SQ. That's all functionality. Changing the channels or fast changing. Let's check the microphone and the speaker of the radio. I'm going to talking through the one of the radio, and you can listen to the sound from the first one.
Testing, Optim Sprint, testing, audio, close to the microphone.
In this radio, you can turn on the FM radio. It works. Let's check the transmission power of the radio. Currently I'm using the battery of the radio. The minimum 1.3 watts. The high power 4.8, 4.7 watts. Let's change the frequency up, or maybe down. 25 megahertz. 25 megahertz maximum transmission power 3.4, 28.3 megahertz 4.0. This is in FM mode. Let's check in AM mode. In FM mode maximum 4.7, in AM mode 4.7, the same. Audio, the same. Let's check the harmonics. Let's wait, and we can see the signal is good. It's really good. Let's check transmission power when we use the adapter connected to the power supply and to the dummy load. Right here we don't have any connection to the antenna. In the frequency modulation, maximum transmission power around 6.5 watts. In AM mode, the same, 6.5, almost 6.4. The current 1.3 amps. Audio. Yeah. The power much higher when you use the adapter. Actually, you can connect the external antenna to this radio. I have the CB antenna 2C100, around 1 meter length. Let's connect this antenna to this radio. It's easy to use in the car. Just plug into the cigarette lighter port and connect the adapter to the radio. And don't forget to connect the external antenna. It's like the microphone you can put right here. It's a really nice radio. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment. See you next time.